Our lesson for today is all about factoring trinomials with leading coefficient not equal to 1. So we have our example of trinomial 6x squared plus 13x minus 8. So what we are going to do is we are about to multiply the leading coefficient 6 by the constant term negative 8. So 6 times negative 8, that will be negative 48. For that negative 48, we are about to find the factors. Okay, 1 times 48, negative 48, that will be negative 48. Then, 2 times negative 24 is negative 48. Then, let us say negative 3 times positive 16, that is negative 48. As you can see, these are the factors of negative 48. So, hahanapin natin yung factor na pag inad is it will turn into a positive 13. Okay, kung makikita natin, we have heard negative 3 and 16. Na kung saan, once we have negative 3 plus 16, that will become positive 13. So, let us say, copy 6 squared. Then, palitan natin yung 13x by negative 3x, then positive 16x. Okay, plus 16x minus 3x. Copy the constant term, 8. Okay, now, hatiin natin sa dalawa. Sa dalawang term, okay, we have our 6x squared plus 16x, then negative 3x, then minus 8. So we are about to find the GCF for this first two common term. So what do you think is the common term for 6 and 16? Okay, let us say 6. What is the factor of 16? Of 6 and 16. So 1 times 6 is 6. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Then 16. 1 times 16 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. So as you can see, our greatest common factor is 2. So let us have the GCF 2x here. Okay, 6x squared divided by 2x, that is 3x. Then, 16x divided by 2x, that is positive 8. Okay, that is the first two common term. So, the next one, the second common term, the second term is negative 3x minus 8. So we're about to find the GCF again. So 3, negative 3, and negative 8. So hanapin natin yung kanyang common term, GCF. Negative 3 at saka 8. So what the factors of 1, negative 3, and negative 3 is negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So yun lang yung factor niya. Next one is negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So, meron pa bang factors? So, wala na. So, hanapin natin yung greatest common factor nila. So, yung greatest common factor nila is negative 1. Okay, negative 1. So, negative 1. So, negative 3x divided by negative 1. So, that will be, since they are both negative, that will be positive 3x. Then, negative 8 divided by negative 1. That is positive 8. So, as you can see, we have our common terms. So, 3x plus 8. So, nakikita na natin, once maglagay tayo dito ng 3x plus 8, automatic, cancel out 3x plus 8. Then, the remaining term for the first term is 2x. Then, minus 1. So that is now the factor of this trinomial. Okay, to check kung tama ba yung factor ng expression natin. So 3x plus 8 times 2x minus 1. Okay. So using the distributive property of multiplication, 3x times 2x, that is 6x squared. Then 3x times 1, that is negative 3x. Next one is 8 times 2x, that is positive 16x. Then 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Now, combine like terms. So bring down 6, copy the 6x squared. Then, negative 3x and 16x, they are common terms, like terms. Negative 3x plus 16x, that is positive 13x. Then you copy negative 8. So, our expression is 6 squared plus 13x minus 8 is the same in this expression.